the decorations.
Keep them on. Look, there's mine.
I'm helping.
Why do you always help?
This is mine. Again?
What?
Look,
What is it?
He wants to do it himself. He wants to do it himself.
No, I don't want to do that.
Okay.
What is the name?
Is this a skate park?
I want to do myself.
I want to put
See,
myself.
These windows.
Yes, they are. Do you like them?
We got a bunch of Playmobil stuff.
We got so much Legos.
These aren't Legos, they're Playmobil.
Playmobil.
No, it's Playmobil. It says Playmobil.
Mobile.
Right? It's
Do
mobile.
it.
Yes, it is.
It's Playmobil.
No, it's not an E at the end.
I know, sweetie, but it's a German product, and that's how they pronounce it.
And Moby
Oh,
Bob.
Teddy's helping you. Hey, Eamon, we have one more present to open, sweetheart, and then we can play skate park.
What?
Come here.
I made that one.
Want it? Want it?
Here.
Want it?
It's for you.
Amen, you want it?
Noisy.
Hey, Mom. He wants to play by himself.
You're
There's
welcome.
so many people.
It's okay. I'm sure he'll share, honey.
No?
He told me.
He didn't tell you. Amen, can I help you?
Can I help you too? Can I help you too?
Let's all help.
It was Spider-Man shirt. T-shirt.
Cool, is that cool?
Okay, bye. Little Spider-Man shirt.
Do you like it?
Can we play with it together? No, I do it myself.
Something wrong with the Wii.
See?
Don't worry, honey.
I'm just doing myself.
Yeah, you're going to share, too.
Want to see?
I'm just doing it.
Yeah, are you going to share nice? Okay, let's go open it, and then you can share.